Real quick is a review of my hammer candle setups for today. This was Csco. First of all, opened up high, did not go high enough to trigger me into a gap and go play. Came down, consolidated below the range I was watching. Took a break above that consolidation range. Gave me a nice little trade, not huge or anything by any means. I made 5 cents on the trade there. I do like the setup for a longer term play. I will keep it on my watch for a little bit longer. I do like the way that the moving averages are all coming together, and it's now seemingly reclaiming the 200 period simple moving average over here on the daily time frame. Next up is Dick's Sporting Goods. Dick's opened up and ran straight through my level, triggered me into a trade, gave a good risk reward area right there. Took it out on the first break below a red candle. Left quite a bit on the table as it did run quite a bit higher, but overall was a decent trade here. Next up was Foot Locker FL. This one opened up high but did not trigger me into a gap and go. Did sell off real quick, but once price reclaimed the open, went ahead and took a position just above and rode it up as far as I could. Noticed some sellers coming in the tape and closed out at 49.14 for a 63-cent gain right there. Next up here is Nvda. Nvda I don't usually trade too much when it's on my my watch list, but this one gave a nice risk reward area, nice tight stop. I was only risking about 40 cents on the move, so got in, took a position. This kind of setup is very noticeable. When you have several candles inside of each other, all that means is price is compressing and getting ready for a move. Since I had a bullish bias, I was obviously looking for a move above one of these candles, and as it turns out, it worked out very well. Rode it up here to where it failed at the opening high range. Ended up being a very good trade there. Today was only 4 stocks on my watch list. All 4 did trigger me into a trade for some winners.